get started with our class today. We're going to start by tapping the toes, sitting up straight. And it'd be ideal if you're sitting in a chair that has a hard surface. You can have armrests or have a chair like this. Either would be fine. All right, so let's start marching. And let's bring our feet wide. So again, running shoes are best, or sneakers, if you have them. And feet together again. And feet wide. And together. And let's relax the legs. Let's bring our arms forward. We're just gonna punch those arms forward, just a light punch. Kind of go along with the music. Excellent. We're gonna go into a bit of a stretch here. We're gonna bring the arms forward as if we're swimming. So try and feel a bit of a stretch in that one. Bring your arms back and forward. Think of being somewhere tropical. That would be so nice. And let's bring our arms forward. We're gonna reach back, so I want you to really pull and then really push forward. So reach and push. Reach back and push. And we've got 3 more. And 1 more. Excellent. And let's go back to a march. And bringing the feet wide again. So just do what you can, go at your own pace. If something is too much, then just take a break and then come back to it when you can. And feet together. All right, let's do a leg extension. We're gonna bring one leg up. I want you to really concentrate on squeezing that muscle in your upper leg and down and up and down. 3. So remember, squeeze. 4, 5, 2 more, and 8. And switch to the other side and tighten here. 2, squeeze. 4, 5, and 3 more. Last one. Good. All right, we're gonna reach up and I want you to pull down. Reach up and pull down. Reach and pull. So when you bring your arm down, think about squeezing that bicep muscle to give that arm a workout. And 3 more. And switch to the other side. So reach up and pull down. Pull. 3, 4, 5, and 3 more. Our music's picking up a bit, so we're going to do some marching again. Excellent. And march. So do what you can. We're going to do a bit of a run here. So just for 5 seconds, just do what you can. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. And kicking those legs out. Great. And 2 more on each side. And we're going to bring those arms forward again. So really reaching. And 1 more. And then we're going to bring those arms down. We're going to lean forward. I want you to bring your arms up as if you have a string from your elbow going up to the ceiling. So reaching up and down. And when you bring those elbows up, think of squeezing an orange in your shoulder blades. So squeeze and down. And 2 more. And last one. Excellent. And back to marching. So I try and alternate between lower body and upper body just to give yourself a bit of a break. I find people often get tired if I do too much of lower body or too much of upper body, so it's just best to switch back and forth, give those muscles a bit of a break in between. And let's bring those legs wide again. And feet together. We're going to do a bit more of a run on the count of 3, 2, 1, and go. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. And just marching. Now, if you don't like the music that I have, after you've done the class a few times, you can just put me on mute and put whatever music on that you like. I've said it before, but music is a very powerful thing, and you really have to find the music that makes you want to exercise. Okay, let's give those legs a bit of a break. We're going to bring our arms out to the side and down, up and down. Again, if you want to increase this and make it a little bit harder, think of there being resistance. So it's like you're pushing against resistance, and then on the way down, you're pushing against resistance again. So really tighten those arms and bring them down. And we've got 3 more. And last one. Excellent. And we're going to punch forward. So really tighten those muscles again in your arms as you punch forward. Great. Okay, we're going to go into a bit of a bicep curl. So you're going to bring those arms up. Again, squeeze here and then reach those arms over. Pull down and down. Bicep, shoulders, down. 3, 4, 5, and 3 more. And last one. Good. Okay, let's bring the arms in this position. We're going to bring the elbows and the hands together. And again, think of there being resistance. So you're pushing against that resistance and pulling back. And 2. So we're going up to 8. I often count wrong whenever I am talking too much. So if we go to 7 or 9, that would be why. And last one. Good. Relax that upper body. Let's go back to lower body. We're going to do our second set of leg extensions. So bring one leg up, tighten that muscle in that leg, and down. Stick with the same side, and down. 3, 4, 4 more, and 7. Last one. Excellent. Relax that leg, switching to the other side, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 more, and 8. Good. Okay, bringing that leg out to the side and in. Other side and in. 2, 3. Now, if you have armrests, you can just move out further on your chair and you can still do this exercise. So just scooch forward on the chair and then your leg will have enough room to be able to do it. And I believe that is 6, 7, and 8. Good. Okay, let's do a calf raise. You're going to lift those heels up. So up and down. 2 and down. So we're trying to strengthen our calf muscles in the back of our lower legs. 4 and 3 more. And 8. Good. Okay, leaning forward, we're going to do our second set of rows. So you're going to bring those elbows up, squeeze an orange in your shoulder blades, and down. 2, 3, so really concentrate on those back muscles. 4, and 2 more. Now staying in this position, your elbows are staying up. I want you to bring those hands back, and it's like you're straightening your arms. So you should feel that right in the back of your tricep muscle. Okay, so up, and then just swing those hands back. Bring the hands to your shoulders and back again. So when your arms are back and they're straight, think of squeezing those tricep muscles. And last one. Good. Sitting up straight, we're going to bring our arms out to the side again and down. So again, if you want to make this harder, think of there being resistance. So you're pushing against that resistance and then going back the other way again, pushing. So the slower you go, the harder it's going to be too, because then you can pretend, you can think of there being more resistance there. And I believe we have one more. Good. Okay, let's bring those arms forward again, and I want you to row back and forward. Push forward. Excellent. And 3 more. Last one. Good. Okay, let's bring those shoulders back. Bring those hands together. I want you to push those hands forward so you feel a stretch in your upper back. So you can do it this way, or you can turn your hands this way. It's up to you, whatever feels more comfortable. So the main thing is just to press those hands forward enough that you feel that stretch in your upper back. Now feet are flat on the floor. I want you to lean forward, and you should feel that stretch in your lower back. So hold that stretch. This is a really good one for people who have lower back pain. And then I want you to lean to one side. You should feel that all the way down your side. And coming back to the center, and then to the opposite side. Coming back to the center, sitting up straight. I want you to reach overhead as high as you can up to the ceiling. Really, really reach. Should feel a good stretch down your side. Excellent. And then the other side. So reaching up. So fingers are up towards the ceiling. Feeling that all the way down your side. Good. Reaching one arm in front. You're crossing that arm in front of your body for a shoulder stretch, and pull that arm in. So that's stretching over here. You're almost done. Arm straight in front, cross it in front of the body, pulling that arm in. So if you have any shoulder pain, just skip this stretch. You don't want to have any pain when you're stretching. It should be a good feeling when you're stretching. And let's just rotate those wrists, other direction. And let's switch down to the lower body. Bring that leg up. I want you to flex your foot so toes are pointed towards you. So feeling a good stretch down the back of your leg. And away from you. And let's rotate that ankle. And the other direction. And to the other side. So leg out in front. Point those toes away from you. And flex. And then rotate. Good. Okay, dropping the ear down to the shoulder for a neck stretch, taking a deep breath in through your nose, and a big breath out. So you should feel a really nice stretch down the side of your neck. And then I want you to look down to the floor and feeling that stretch in the back of your neck and holding that stretch. And then over to the opposite side. Again, taking a deep breath in through your nose. And big breath out. And looking straight ahead. Taking one big stretch overhead. Taking a deep breath in. And big breath out. And that is it for this class. Thank you so much for joining me.